gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man, from around my way.
Hey guys, it's me, Deja Marie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I turn these denim capris into a really cute halter vest using this photo as my Pinterest inspiration. I didn't know where to get the vest, so I thought I'd make it myself, only to find out at the end that Shein has it for about $12. All I've done here was go ahead and trace a vest that I already have onto my jeans. If you don't already have a vest you like the fit of, go ahead and use a tank top and alter it to your liking. In order for me to cut my denim right, I'm going to have to seam rip the crotch and the pant leg. I'm going to open up my jeans like this, and I'm going to finish tracing the back portion of my vest. So when I cut it out, it'll be all in one piece instead of multiple pieces. After cutting out what I traced, it should look a little bit like this. I got my two back pockets on the front now. I did underestimate my size, so I'm going to have to sew in a little piece right there to keep the back closed. Then these two straps up here at the top will get sewn together and it will become a halter shape. After sewing those two pieces together, I'm going to try it on and make sure I like the way it's cut and it's fit. I wish I had the neckline a little bit lower and the under the arm section a little bit lower, so I'm going to go ahead and cut all that excess off. And now my vest has a more perfect shape. I'm going to take this penny pocket that was on the front of the pants, and I'm going to go ahead and find the right placement and sew that onto my vest too. This denim right here that I'm sewing with is very thin and stretchy, so my sewing machine and needle went over it just fine. But if you're using a thicker denim, please be careful not to break a needle. Attempting to stay true to the reference photo, I'm going to need fur trim around my vest. In order to do that, I'm going to use the scrap remnants of this coat that is too small for me now, that I have also used in another DIY project. In order to make it all a little bit easier, I'm going to take my strips and sew them together and then sew all of it onto my denim. The purpose of the trim is to hide the raw edges of the denim and to keep it from fraying if your denim is prone to fraying. So you're going to lay the fur down and then fold it over like a sandwich and sew it flat onto the denim. Because the front part of my vest is still open and I don't have a zipper short enough, I'm going to use these old bra hooks to just hook it closed in the front. I'm going to hand sew these pieces on. The hooks go on one side and then the hook E goes on the other side. After that, the project is done and this is how it turned out. I absolutely love the way the vest turned out. It is so cute. One day I wore it with plain jeans and then the next day I wore it with a button-down white shirt. I think what takes it over the top is the matching fur bucket hat with the same fur from the trim. If anybody would like, this vest will be up for sale on my Depop. The link is in the description box down below. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen,